Hello everyone, my name is Suyuan and my project topic is deep learning assistant inverse design for perfect absorption. Here let me introduce the working flow. First we use affinity difference time domain methods, that is FTD methods, to calculate to collect the data sets, and then we use forward prediction network, that is FPN method, to train model to predict the absorption spectrums. And then we combined the FPN methods to with the particle swarm optimization methods, that is PSO methods, to do the inverse design to optimize our constructed structures. Next, let me introduce something about the FTD methods. Here we see fig A and B we constructed structures. And here the R1 and L1 from L3 are all parameters need to be optimized. And for FTD methods, it's just the solution of the Maxwell equations, and it's separate into a differential form, just like this six function. This is six functions listed. And it are the key for the FTD methods. And then we constructed the forward prediction network. Here we noted like this, and you use 5 layers of neurons. And the input is what we just mentioned, the 4 parameters, the R1 and L1 from L3. And we can finally get the output of the 3 point absorptions. And the loss function here is just like this. That is, we compare the FPM methods, the data based on the absorption data based on FPM methods, and the absorption data based on directly FTD simulations. Well, we then combined the FPM methods to particle swarm optimization, and the working flow is just like this. Here we predict the absorption by FPM, then we calculate the loss function, is just what we mentioned here, and we just use this function to make the function the fitness function of the PSO methods. So we renew the P and G best, and renew the velocity of the particles. Here the key to the PSO method is just in this function, where we know it is the V is the velocity, and W is the weight and weight of velocity, and R is the radon coefficients, and P base is the historical partial best positions of the particle, and G best is the global best position of the particle. So X is of course the position of particles. Well, next we show some results about the comparison between the IPN based absorption structures and the FTD based structures. So we can see that they are almost the same for both reconstructed structures. So we think that the network is very effective. And then we compare the FTD methods, the data based on method methods, and the data based on the IPN assisted PSO methods, or we can say that the FTN assisted PSO methods. So we can see that the absorption spectrum for both structures are almost in two methods are almost the same. So we can say that these are also very effective. Well, we should mention that the FTD based methods requires requires several minutes to calculate one absorption spectrum, while the PSO-based FPN or the FPN accelerated PSO methods for investigation just requires several seconds of to calculate one spectrum. So we can see that it is very effective and is very useful in these conditions. So that's all for the project introduction. Thank you.